This is how you can delete your playlist. First, you just have to open up your YouTube and then you head on to library. I have my page already open, and then I click on view all. You can click on the three dots right there on which playlist that you want to delete. Just click on this and then you can click delete. But for example, if you want to delete some video in the playlist, you can just click on edit. Have to go here and then you can delete the playlist by clicking the three dots and then you remove from piano. And then if you want to edit your playlist, you can also do it by just changing anything that you want, piano love, and then the description and the privacy, and then you can also collaborate with someone. That is how you're able to delete a playlist.